彼は来月結婚するということをまだ誰にも知らせていない。ということ。
Changes a sentence or phrase into a noun. Is used to express the fact that or the thing that. It is often used to clarify or explain a statement.
この大学では、タイ語とか東アジアのいろいろな言葉が勉強できます。とか、とか。
Among other things, such as, is used in Japanese to list examples without being exhaustive. It is similar to the English expression such as or things like.
最初に会った時からそれを感じていました。時。
When, at the time, is used to indicate the timing of an action.
この薬は飲みやすいです。安い。
Easy to, likely to, is an adjective that means easy or inexpensive. It describes something that requires little effort or is affordable.
今朝はいつもより早く学校へ行きました。より。
Than is a particle used to indicate comparison. It is equivalent to than in English and is used to express a comparison between two things.
私は留学をする予定です。予定だ。
Plan to, intend to, is a phrase used to express intention or plan.
少々お待ちください。お、ください。
Please do. Honorific.
子犬のような目で私を見ないでください。のように。のような。
Like, similar to. This expression is used before a noun to indicate that something is similar to or resembles the noun.
明日が試験なのに、彼女は遊んでいる。のに。
Although, in spite of, even though. Conflict between sentence A and B.
仕事くらいすぐに見つけられる。られる。
To be able to do something. The potential form is used to express the ability or possibility to do an action. It is created by attaching rareru to the verb stem. The potential form of a verb allows you to say that someone can do something.